Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista and I am a mama to two little boys who are 2, almost 3, and 6 months old, and we live here in Georgia. Today's video is a power hour. I wanted to see how much I could get done in an hour while the boys were asleep. So that is in today's video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it.
This is as good a day as any.
So to get started in this power hour, I needed to put up the stuff that we had left over from dinner. I had made ribs in the crock pot with some baked beans and some carrots. So I'm just going to put those in my Tupperware bowls. But I could not find the correct tops to the Tupperware bowls. And eventually I just give up and put them in the fridge without any tops on them. I was just over it. So you'll see me doing that here in a minute.
From within, today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning so clear a lot.
Y'all, I was so backed up on dishes. I didn't do any dishes the night before because it was just a crazy time. Jared just had his surgery and the boys were going crazy, so I was just like, I'm just gonna sit down and do nothing and just help out Jared, and I'll do it the next day. So I had a lot of dishes to do from our breakfast, lunch, and dinner the day before and from today.
Was is alright. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Counting up our crawdads, both of us 8 years old. Clawfoot's our brand only cold. In the middle of the night.
I have recently become obsessed with the Dawn Power Wash to clean everything, especially cleaning out the sink. It just makes things so easy. And I also do it in, like, if I need something to soak for a little bit, I put it in that for a little while. Like, I put it in one of the pans that I'd use to make eggs one day, and everything just came off so easy, and it smells so good. So if you haven't checked out the new Dawn Power Wash, I definitely recommend you checking that out.
Our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Nobody's road is the same. Both of us went our own way. Our hearts had never changed. 'Cause we got our cabin days. Like my own sister, our souls weave together.
My kitchen table has become a catch-all for just about anything and everything. We had just put our stuff down from Jared's surgery. He has his brace on there where it holds his ice pack, so I'm going to keep that there. And then in the back, you can see I have a lot of bins sat there, and that is for a future video where I'm going to be kind of organizing the fridge and our pantry, because it is desperately needed. We have no sort of organization going on anywhere in our kitchen, and it's so hard to find stuff. So I bought those in hopes that it will help us out a little bit.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Now we're just going to move into the living room. As you can see, there's toys everywhere, especially in the corner right there. If you have any sort of organizational tip for that, let me know, because I cannot find anything just to contain the big toys, like for the floor for Oliver, and it's kind of driving me crazy because we don't have any storage here, so I can't like put it in a closet or anything like that because we don't have any closet space. So let me know what you do. Anyways, we are going to hop into cleaning off the coffee table. It just kind of became a catch-all today for anything and everything. I'm just going to leave Jared's medicine and his drink there so that he can, take his medicine whenever he needs to. And then we are going to jump into the rest of the living room.
Shut the lights, go infrared. Oh, we can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever plan and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eyes, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high.
Alright y'all, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Maybe it gave you some motivation. I enjoyed making it. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but that is okay. There's another time for that. The whole point of a power hour is to get as much done as you can in that hour. But I hope that you guys have a great evening, day, whatever it is. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye y'all.